handlebars will not come straight. So you're grabbing your handy key and then make sure your two bolts securing the handlebars are loose by turning them anti-clockwise. So I've loosened them off. And that will allow you to move your handlebars in the direction you wish. I like to stand at the front of the bike, make sure it's straight, and then adjust your handlebar twist accordingly. Get as straight as you can, just like that. And then once again, grab your iron key and secure both bolts, turning them clockwise. And you want these quite firm, as you don't want them moving while you are riding. Okay, so now we're pretty happy with that. And now your handlebars on top. You want to undo the clamp on the very top, just pull it upward, and then the whole handlebar you can rotate. And how you like it, you can move them back and forth. And once you're happy, you can just push that clamp back down and secure it. And that's your bike ready to ride.